Okay, so now we're gonna do the baked beans, right? Now, what's in here is peppers, onions, onion powder, garlic powder, red pepper flakes, and Aleppo pepper. So Aleppo pepper, let me show you. This is Aleppo pepper. It's popping. Trust me. Believe me when I tell you, that thing is popping. All right. So, okay. So we got some butter. So the butter, we got half for the roux, for the brown gravy. And then we're going to put a little bit here. Let's go ahead and turn the oven on, the stove on. Oh, my hands are wet. Okay. Bring that sucker up to about 5. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna brown the ground beef, peppers and onions. So we're gonna go in with some butter first. I know my sister Gail gonna be like, boy, we don't use no Aleppo pepper. All right, we're gonna go ahead and go in the pan with that. This is one of these induction stoves, so it heats real fast. A little tiny touch of olive oil. Don't cook with seed oils, like vegetable oil, canola oil. Don't cook with that garbage. This stuff will mess your body up. Olive oil, avocado oil. You know, they got cooking oil for olive oil, real olive oil, and then avocado oil. Don't be cooking with seed oils. That stuff will mess your body up. All right, so you see it's getting hot. Let it come down, then do a little test. Listen for that crackling. Okay. The brown gravy is gonna go over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. The brown gravy is gonna be next, so I'll start recording that next. This one is gonna be butter, flour, seasonings, beefy onion, Lipton, and then some bone broth, and then some of the drippings from the pan. So this is why I'm doing this both ways. So some of the drippings from the pan from that beef with that fat is what's gonna pop this up and make a beautiful, beautiful brown gravy. That's why I got both running, because I want the drippings from this pan to go into that beef gravy. All right. So we cooking with Crisco. So put these peppers and onions in here. And we don't waste food, baby. So we taking all of that. Every drop. I paid for it. It's gonna get used. All right. Wash your nasty hands. I'll go ahead and wash that now. Now, if you use metal on these kind of pans, you're gonna scratch the pan up. Use wood. All right, go ahead. I got that on 5. I'll bring it up to about 7. Then we're gonna bring it back down. See, just wanna basically make it translucent. And the butter is the flavor. That's why you don't need to add a bunch of salt. I mean, there's a little bit of salt that I put into the mixture. But the mixture is onion powder, garlic powder, Aleppo pepper, red pepper, onions, and green peppers. That was a little garlic pepper because I always think I forgot. Now this is what's gonna make the mix for the black beans. Now you don't want to burn this, so take it down about 6. If the heat's too high, you can burn the food. Take your time, slow down. You see I got the pan ready over here for the baked beans. But I'm going to take some of the drippings from the pan, and then I'm going to go in with the baked beans and then transfer them to the baking sheet. Now my sister Gail makes this dish like gangbusters. Y'all could smell this, I swear, wallahi, this thing smells delicious. All right, so while that's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and start with the brown gravy. Bring that up to about 4. All right. Let's go ahead and wash this off. That thing popping. All right, so this is coming up. See how fast these induction stoves heat up? All right, we need some flour. All right, so we got some AP flour. My mother usually uses wheat flour, but I don't think I have no wheat flour. Let me see. Oh, we do have wheat flour. Okay. Wheat flour actually is better for gravy. Let me go ahead and get a cup. And this is what she does. Look at the metal cups, baby. Amazon. So you take some flour, put it in the cup. Don't dump the flour straight in there. Okay. Take the flour. 1. Now remember, how thick your roux is how much gravy you're going to produce. All right, so 2. We'll do about 3, like 3. All right. Close this up. Now you're going to take a Lipton beefy onion. We're going to mix that with the flour. All right. All right, so I just put this in the cabinet so you can see. When you have this, do not put no salt. If you put salt, it's gonna be really salty. Now you still can put some pepper. A little bit of black pepper. Some garlic powder. Very little seasoning salt. And a little Dan's crunchy seasoning. The biggest thing about soul food is the flavor, right? Now, you make it healthier by using better oils and good quality meat. All right, now, you don't want